I'd like to invite you to become a premier member of our beautiful locks club, especially for women that wear sister locks that are dry, slow growing, thin, lifeless. And what that means to you is that you get to connect to other women just like you who feel and understand you on your sister locks journey. But the real value is being away from social media and learning new hair care tips and techniques that will transform your hair from where it is today to where you want it to be. Now, there are so many women already on our growing wait list who are excited about launching our new community built especially for them. And so, if having faster growing, softer, more manageable, healthier sister locks is important to you, then click the button below, get on our wait list, and more information will be coming to you. And I can't wait to see you on the other side. Peace.